Hey, you're right on time.
Barely. I almost turned around because I forgot my phone.
That would have been a problem.
I know. I didn't even realize until I was halfway down the block.
I hate that feeling. Like something's missing, but you can't figure out what.
Exactly. And of course, the moment I went back, I remembered I still needed coffee.
So it was one of those starts.
Very much so. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. Slow, which I'm not mad about. I ran a few errands earlier, and that already felt like a workout.
Why do errands take so much energy?
I don't know. You go out for one thing, and suddenly it's 3 hours later.
Every time. And you still forget one thing.
Always. What were you out doing?
I had to return something, grab groceries, and stop by the post office.
That's already too much for one trip.
Right? The post office alone is a commitment.
You never know how long you're going to be in there.
Exactly. And there's always one person ahead of you with a very complicated situation.
Always. And you're just standing there like, I only need one thing.
That was me today.
At least it's done.
True. So what's next for you today?
Nothing major. I'm trying not to overschedule myself for once.
That's a good plan.
I used to stack everything into one day, and then I'd be exhausted for no reason.
Same. I've learned that spreading things out makes life feel calmer.
Exactly. Even small breaks make a difference.
Do you have anything fun planned later?
Maybe. I'm debating whether I want to cook or just order something.
That's a real decision.
It really is. Cooking sounds nice, until you think about the cleanup.
That's when delivery starts looking very attractive.
Exactly. What about you?
I might meet up with a friend later, but we're both bad at making solid plans.
So it's a we'll see situation.
Definitely a we'll see.
Those plans sometimes work out better anyway.
True. Less pressure.
By the way, did you ever watch that show you mentioned last time?
I did. And now I'm annoyed because I finished it too fast.
I hate when that happens. You're excited and then it's over.
Exactly. Now I need something new to watch.
That's the hardest part, finding the next show.
I spend more time scrolling than actually watching.
Same. Half the time I give up and rewatch something old.
Comfort shows are undefeated.
Absolutely. You already know what's going to happen, so it's relaxing.
No surprises, no commitment.
Exactly. Sometimes that's all you need.
Well, I'm glad we caught up. This was easy, in a good way.
Yeah, I like conversations that don't feel rushed.
Same. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Next time, with coffee in hand.
Deal. Talk soon.
Talk soon.